This is always my biggest fear. Waking up in the morning and going to get the birds and something's wrong. Periwinkle is missing all her flights on this wing, and she seems to very much be in pain. Not the way I wanted to spend my Sunday being worried about you, Perry. How cute is this that Mika will not leave her side? Okay. I know. There we go. She wanted to come out and fly around, but we were told by the vet to keep her immobile. If you notice her wing there, yeah, it's still healing, but it's doing a whole lot better. Perry hasn't been able to bathe since she hurt her wing, and she is so excited for this bath. She's so excited. This is the first time you started following Mika around again.